Today I am Emma Gent Curtis. I'm a former school teacher, a writer, and an advocate for women's rights. Today I would like to welcome you to the Wetmore Post Office building. Pioneer Dr. John W. Walters came west due to poor health. He had the Wetmore Post Office building constructed in 1879, and from the beginning it has been used as a combination business and residence. Dr. Walters saw patients in the office, sold drugs, sundries, and some grocery items from the front area. The store area was used for the post office from 1881 when it was certified with Mr. Callan as postmaster. The post office continues to be a community gathering place. The post office is a multi-building complex that sits in the center of the rural community. In addition to the stuccoed post office, the site contains a fruit cellar, which is an 11-foot diameter underground kiva with walls of smooth river stone, a rubble stone ice house that still holds the original lake ice scraper, a stucco over empty wooden ammunition boxes for the walls of the chicken house, a breezeway, patio, and garage shop. The landscape is informal, with deciduous and evergreen bushes and trees. There are also hollyhocks that are many, many years old. Jeannie Culpin renovated the building and property in 2009 and had obtained the National Register of Historic Places and the Colorado State Register of Historic Properties in 2008. The Historical Center houses a library, museum, kitchen, bathroom, and meeting room, along with the post office out front. Thank you.